Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So, first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button, basically until you see the ZEBLAZE logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch boots up, go to the phone you want to pair it with, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, and then open the Play Store, tap on the search button, tap on the search bar and type in GloryFit Pro, and then tap on search. And on the list of applications, you should see this application, GloryFit Pro. Install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. In the app, tap on Agree, and here we can log in into an account. You don't have to do it. You can tap on Skip right here to basically use the app without an account. The only advantage I can come up with of having an account is that if you use your watch to track your health data and stuff like that, and you don't have an account, it won't keep your data. Basically, if you remove the application, the data will be gone. But if you have an account and you connect it with the app, it will keep your data in the cloud, so you can basically log in and see your data later on. So if you want to have an account, we can tap right here on No Account, please register, use the email address, register the account, and then log in. I don't really care about that, so I'm gonna tap on Skip. Skip. Set up the profile. Okay. And then once you're done, you will see the homepage. On the homepage, tap right here at the device icon, or rather on the device icon, my bad. Tap on Add Device, tap on OK, allow the required permissions, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and if your watch is turned on, it should detect it. And once it detects the watch, tap on it. As you can see, the watch appeared on the device page. At some point, you will see also the notification about the Bluetooth pairing right here at the top of your phone. And you need to tap on Pair and Connect. For some reason, it didn't pop up yet, but it should at some point. Maybe if I enable the call notifications. No. Well, I know it will pop up at some point, so be on the lookout for this notification at the top, and if it pops up, tap on Pair and Connect. You could also try to go to Bluetooth settings and tap on See if the watch detects, or rather the phone detects any devices right here, and if it sees the watch, you can tap on it and then tap on Pair. But as you can see, it doesn't appear right here, so for some reason the pop-up is not appearing. Is it because the Bluetooth calls need to be turned on the watch? Yeah, now it appears. And we can tap on the watch, tap on Pair, and now the watch will appear in the Bluetooth settings, and you can use it for calls. Okay. And basically that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.